Okay, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the daily time frame. So here we are looking at the daily chart here. The last time I did it was on Friday, which was the day where it put in this candle here, which was a spinning top. And I talked about how there was probably a good chance that it would pull back. And you can see here now that is exactly what's been going on. So the first thing I want to do is just make a couple updates. These lines you see here were from the previous times I've done the video. So again, if you want to go back and see the chart from Friday or any other previous ones, just simply go back and look in the video archives. But first couple updates that need to be made is this level of support is no longer a support because the price has closed below it. It is now a level of resistance. So 305 is a new level of resistance, and same with this one, was a level of support going into today, but because the price closed below it, that level right there at 268 is now another level of resistance. The big level of support to keep your eye on, and I talked about this already, was if you remember back from, I don't know, probably 2 or 3 videos ago, I talked about the bull pennant formation that had taken place and how the big resistance and big break point was at 246. And when it did break through there, right there, you can see the big run that happened. So this was a key level of resistance, and being the price is still above it, it remains a key level of support. So it's looking like it's going to get tested here probably tomorrow. I'd be pretty surprised to see it not get tested, but 246 seems to be right around the corner, and this is the level here that you ideally want to see hold. But if it doesn't, let's map out some other levels of support. And as you can see, we have to go back quite a bit of ways into the history. We'll zoom back in, but the next level of support is going to be right here. And I'm going to base that on, I'll point that out, you can see acted as resistance there. And then when the price did break above it, you can see acted as support basically 2 days in a row right there. I am going to zoom back in though now so we can see things a little bit better, but just keep in mind where that line came from. So we'll change this to green to represent support. And this level is valued right around, we'll just call it the 210 range. So 210 would be another level of support if 246 doesn't hold. So you can see here was a very stubborn level of support, or excuse me, resistance. So hopefully it's going to be a very stubborn level of support in terms of the price coming down here and then, you know, bouncing it back up. So I would not be shocked at all to see this tested tomorrow, but at the same time, I wouldn't be shocked at all to see it start to bounce up from this area. If it doesn't bounce though, like I said, next area is going to be down here around $2.10. So that is where the chart currently stands. If there are any other questions on it, please let me know. If not, and you enjoy the video and want to learn more about charting, or maybe you already use charts and you're just looking for some advanced strategies, I'd encourage you to click on that image up above and check out some of our instant download courses, everything for beginners to advanced traders. And like I said, they are instant download format, so you can literally get started on them today. They've been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials, so go check them out. One more time, this was FNMA. Thanks for listening and have a good one.